Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove an item from cart on Etsy. Whether you added something by mistake or changed your mind, it is easy to remove items from your Etsy cart. Open your Etsy application on your device and log in. From the home page of Etsy, go to the Basket tab at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Once you get to your Basket tab, you'll see the item you want to remove. Go ahead and tap on the trash can icon underneath the item and you'll then be able to remove this specific item from your shopping cart. Removing an item does not cancel your order if you already purchased it. You can always add the item back to your bag or shopping cart whenever you need it, or even if you change your mind. So that is how you easily remove an item from your shopping cart on Etsy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.